We're doing veggie carrot noodles tonight. The carrots, you want to chop off the ends, make sure they're washed scrubs, and you want the organic ones so they don't have the pesticides in them. And also another reason why you want organic is because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make a pesto sauce out of the tops of the carrots. But anyway, I've tried it with the last batch, so we're going to be good on this. And I probably could have brought this down a little bit more, but I'm going to turn this on, and hopefully it'll turn it into noodles. And here we go. Okay, see how we did here. So we got these guys sticking to the top, which we can use for other purposes. So they do turn into a longer noodle if you don't cut them all the way. I mean, if you don't chop them in half. But that's what they look like on this batch. The one I just did. But anyway, and that's how you do the noodles. You can't. And I'm gonna finish these off, and then I'll be back on to show you how to do the pesto sauce. Thanks for your time.